Welcome to the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. I'm Tommy.
And I'm Meddena.
We sold our business, our house, and all our possessions that we couldn't carry in the RV to explore North America 1 mile at a time. Today we want to discuss with you an advantage that RVers, that boondock. A lot of people use Planet Fitness for showers and to work out, and what we found out, it's completely free to RVers, or in fact anyone that is over 65.
That's right.
That's the caveat.
The whole
if you have a Medicare Advantage plan. And what that is, basically most of seniors that are 65 that have Medicare get an Advantage plan that takes up all the slack. In other words, if you have a regular Medicare and it pays for your certain amount of your hospitalization and certain amount of your doctor's visits, but if you get a Medicare Advantage plan attachment to that, a part of that Medicare Advantage plan is a free gym membership. And Planet Fitness, what I believe is all over the United States, they offer a free membership, and their best membership, it's called the Black Card.
Yeah.
It's completely free under these senior programs. And I can't remember exactly, they have the physical fit program or the senior something. If you ask, if you're 65 on Medicare, you go in and ask, hey, do you have any of these senior plans that are free to us as we have Medicare Advantage? Most of the Medicare Advantage plans have this. And the big thing about, I know that the Medicare Advantage plan that Meddena's on, which is Blue Cross Blue Shield of Tennessee, is completely free to her. It picks up most of her deductibles. It picks up a lot of the hospital where she doesn't have very little deductible hospital deductibles, and it's absolutely free.
And I had a prescription filled the other day that I had been paying for since I just started Medicare, and my medicine cost me $1.
So
I was glad.
Yeah, and I know I had this Blue Cross Blue Shield through Alabama. Also,
Tennessee.
well, I did have the Alabama first, and it had this fitness program down there. When we used to live in Boaz, I went to another gym. But there's gyms all over America that allow you to go in for free.
Not just Planet Fitness.
Not just Planet Fitness, but the reason we use Planet Fitness is it's in just about every major city, and even small communities now have a Planet Fitness. They have showers that you can use. You go in.
They got a blow dryer in the shower.
Blow dryer, right. I mean, see, for us, if we're boondocking especially, and we stay there for, and we're any close to a Planet Fitness at all, we don't want to overuse our water or fill up our gray tanks, then we go in, we do the maybe massage chairs, a massage bed, do some walking on the treadmill or the stair steppers.
Or the red light therapy.
Yeah, it has a red light therapy that they use. And then at the end of it, you take a shower and blow dry your hair and everything. And it just makes, and it's completely free too. And which is great for us. And we use Planet Fitness just because they're everywhere. They're they're all over the place, and being free like that, you just can't beat it.
Nope,
can't beat it.
So it's maybe something that you want to check out, because especially if you're following us and you are not RVing, it doesn't matter. You know, if you're 65 and older,
it's
check
free.
it out. Check it
But
out.
if you're under 65, it's $10 a month.
Well, that's for just the gym.
Just for the gym, showers, and is $10 a month. Now, they have an extra program that allows you to sit in the massage chairs and do the massage beds and these red light therapy and other stuff like that, and it runs about $30 a month. But if you're boondocking, maybe live in a van or a car or an RV where you're just trying to save water or save your tanks, $10 a month, you can't beat it.
But when you said somebody living in their car, we're talking about the girl that we watched. That she actually lives in a Prius and travels
in a Prius and uses Planet Fitness too.
But it's like an RV to her. She just is doing it in a Prius.
Right. I think it's awesome. And I've even heard of people members staying in their parking lot. Now, I don't know, you'd have to ask the manager each facility, because a lot of them are standalone buildings and others are part of complexes, shopping centers, and that might vary there. But it's too good of a program
to not share with
seniors to not share, because we were in there. I remember signing up, and then a senior come in there and they're not aware of it. We're talking to other people, and they're not aware that they had. And Silver Sneakers is one of the programs through, and there's also another program, I can't remember the name of it, but it's a part of the Medicare Advantage plans of being on Medicare and using this Advantage plan. And rather than going out to different gyms and asking, hey, do you do this, and sign up for each one, we just love Planet Fitness because it's all over the place. And you can take a guest for free. So
yeah, that's
say
right.
You're 65 and your wife's not 65, then you could sign up for it under that thing, and every time you come in, you take your wife as a guest and she gets in free too.
That's right.
So you just can't beat it, in my opinion.
And so we both have a membership, and our daughter is going to go with us to Planet Fitness.
And our son too, also.
I believe that there are, in our area, I think I saw 17, there are 17 Planet Fitnesses in the area that we are right now, which is the Milwaukee, Wisconsin area.
And one's about 4 miles away.
Yeah,
not even that.
They're close.
So they're just about every. One thing too, just say you're under 65. If you buy a membership, one of you buys the full membership, $30 a month, then, or $32, it's $30 and change. They can take their wife or partner, girlfriend or whatever as a guest.
You can't take your girlfriend.
No, that'd be bad.
That'd be bad.
That'd be bad. I'd be dead. But
he's not taking a girlfriend.
No. Well, I don't have a girlfriend, so it doesn't matter. But
good to know.
Good save. But what I'm saying is, you can go sign up yourself and basically take your partner as a guest. So you're not having, both of you are not having to spend $32 or even $10 a month. So a lot of you are not aware of that. I was not aware that Planet Fitness, and I just happened to ask. And there one day we went in to check out getting a membership, and they explained it to me. And then I said, oh, by the way, we're on this Medicare Advantage. It says we have this Super Sneakers or Silver Sneakers or Silver, I don't know, it's one of these type plans. And he said, oh yeah, we got that. And I said, well, what does it apply? And he said, oh, we got the one that the black card, the ultimate card, and it's absolutely free to you and your wife both. And we were stoked about that. It's nice, and that's forever. That's forever, as long as we
as long as I let him live.
Okay, well, I hope that's been informational today, and we hope we haven't rambled too much, and we hope to catch you up. If you get anything out of these videos at all, we'd appreciate it if you would push that little red subscribe button and ring that little bell to the side and let you know when all of our videos come on, and give us a thumbs up if we've done a good thing and you've enjoyed it. We're trying to build up our subscriber base. We sure would appreciate it, and we hope to see you on the road.
That we do. Bye, y'all.
Bye. All right. Today we want to talk about a super advantage that.
Really?
Okay, Maggie, get down.
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 I don't need any sugar this morning.
Down.
Get down. I had you out playing ball. Get down. Down. Oh.
Today we want to discuss with you.
What is your problem?
Today we want to discuss with you a
what?